Imagine if I told you that you don't need thousands of dollars to start Forex trading, and that many traders actually grow faster when they begin with a small account. Sounds surprising, right? Most people believe small capital means small chances. But the truth is, small capital can actually train you to trade smarter, control risk better, and build real long-term consistency. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start Forex trading with small capital. Step by step, in a simple, practical way that actually works in real life. But before we go deeper, if you enjoy learning real Forex strategies explained in a simple way, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel Forex Trading Rocket Signal, because here you'll learn how to trade smarter, not harder, even if you're starting small. Now, let me tell you something honest. Almost every successful trader you see today started small. Not just small, sometimes very small. Some started with $50, some with $100, and many of them lost money in the beginning. Not because the market was unfair, but because they didn't understand one powerful truth. Forex trading is not about how much money you start with, it's about how well you protect what you have. Think about this. If someone gives you $10,000 but you don't know risk management, discipline, or patience, how long do you think that money will last? Maybe a few trades, maybe a few days. But if someone starts with $100 and learns proper risk control, emotional discipline, and consistent strategy, that person is building real trading skill, and skill is what grows accounts over time. So, if you are starting Forex with small capital, you are not behind. You are actually in the training phase that many successful traders went through. Let me paint a real picture for you. Imagine a beginner trader named Sarah. She opens a trading account with just $150. She feels excited, but also nervous. She watches charts all day, enters trades emotionally, and within 1 week, half her account is gone. She feels frustrated and thinks small capital is useless, but then she changes one thing. Just one. She decides to risk only 1% per trade. That means if her account is $100, she risks only $1 per trade. Sounds slow, right? But here's what happens. She stops panicking. She stops revenge trading. She starts thinking clearly. Her focus shifts from making fast money to trading correctly. And something amazing happens. Her account doesn't grow fast, but it stops shrinking. And when your account stops shrinking, that's when real growth begins. This is the first mindset shift you need if you want to trade Forex with small capital. Cheers. Your first goal is not to double your account. Your first goal is survival. Protect your capital. Stay in the game. Because traders who stay in the game improve, and traders who improve eventually profit. Now let's talk about the practical side. When trading with small capital, position size is everything. You cannot trade large lot sizes. You cannot chase big profits. You must trade micro lots or even smaller if your broker allows. Many beginners ignore this because they want fast results, but fast results usually mean fast losses. Small capital trading is like planting a seed. You water it daily, you protect it, you give it time. You don't dig it up every hour to see if it grew. That patience is what separates traders who succeed from traders who quit. Another important thing is choosing the right trading style. If your account is small, overtrading is dangerous. Every trade costs spread, sometimes commission, and emotional energy. Instead of taking many random trades, focus on high-quality setups. Wait for clear market structure. Wait for confirmation. Wait for your strategy to align. Professional traders are not always trading. Most of the time, they are waiting. And waiting is harder than trading, especially when your account is small and you feel pressure to grow it quickly. But pressure leads to mistakes, and mistakes cost money. Here's something powerful you can start doing today. Track every trade, not just entry and exit, but also why you entered, how you felt, and whether you followed your rules. Over time, this trading journal becomes your personal teacher. You'll start noticing patterns. Maybe you lose when trading late at night. Maybe you win more when you wait for trend confirmation. Maybe emotional trades always fail. Self-awareness is one of the biggest advantages a small account trader can develop. Let's talk about expectations. Because unrealistic expectations destroy more small accounts than bad strategies. If you start with $100 and expect to make $1,000 in a month, you are forcing yourself to take dangerous risks. But if your goal is steady percentage growth to even 3% to 5% monthly, you are building something sustainable. And here's the beautiful part about percentage growth. When your account grows, your profit grows automatically. The same 5% on $100 is $5, but on $1,000, it's $50. On $10,000, it's $500. Growth compounds, slowly at first, then faster. Small capital teaches you to respect compounding. And compounding is one of the most powerful forces in trading. Now let's talk about emotions. Because small capital trading can feel like an emotional roller coaster. When profits are small, it may feel like progress is too slow. When losses happen, they feel personal. But remember, every professional trader learned emotional control the same way, by experiencing wins and losses in real time. Your small account is not just money. It's emotional training. It teaches patience, discipline, control, focus. These are skills that cannot be learned from books alone. Another smart approach when trading small capital is adding funds gradually, instead of depositing a large amount once. You grow your account through both trading and periodic small deposits. Think of it like building a business. You reinvest, you expand slowly, you scale responsibly. This removes pressure from trading performance alone and helps you grow faster in a stable way. Let's also talk about strategy simplicity. Many beginners think they need complex indicators, advanced systems, or secret signals. But in reality, simple strategies often work best. Clear trend direction, support and resistance, risk management, consistency. Complexity creates confusion. Confusion creates hesitation. Hesitation creates mistakes. Twist. When your capital is small, clarity is your biggest advantage. Now here's something most people don't talk about. Small capital protects you from overconfidence. When traders start with large accounts, early wins can make them reckless. They increase risk, ignore rules, and eventually face large losses. But small accounts naturally limit risk exposure, forcing careful decision-making. In a strange way, small capital keeps you humble, and humility keeps you disciplined. As you continue learning, practicing, and improving, your confidence becomes skill-based, not emotion-based. That's real confidence, the kind that survives losing streaks, market changes, and unexpected volatility. And if you ever feel discouraged, remember this: every single profitable trader you admire once sat exactly where you are, staring at a small account, wondering if growth was possible. It is possible. But not through shortcuts, through consistency. One good trade at a time, one controlled risk at a time, one disciplined decision at a time. This is exactly the type of trading mindset we focus on inside Forex Trading Rocket Signal. Building strong traders first and profitable accounts second. Because when the trader improves, the account follows naturally. And as you move forward, celebrate small wins, not just profit, but discipline. Following your rules, avoiding emotional trades, waiting patiently. These are victories that build long-term success. Before we finish, I want you to think about something personal. Why do you want to trade Forex? Financial freedom, extra income, more control over your future. Whatever your reason is, remember that every big result begins with small, consistent action. Your small account is not a limitation. It's your training ground, your foundation, your starting line, not your finish line. If this video helped you see small capital trading differently, share your thoughts in the comments. Tell me your starting account size, or the biggest challenge you face while trading. And if you know someone who believes they can start Forex because they don't have enough money, share this video with them. It might change how they see their trading journey. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and remember, small capital today can become big capital tomorrow, if you protect it, respect it, and grow it the smart way.